In this tutorial I will show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. First we want to open our Spotify app. If I scroll down a bit, as you can see, here are the playlists and all of my recently played. So if we try and go open a playlist that we have played recently and tap on the three dots, there is no option to remove this from the recently played. So we can just play other songs. For example, this one. It will automatically be added to your recently played. So as you can see, it will move to the right, and that is the only way that we can delete our recently played on Spotify.